Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Josh Answers from the Trading Fraternity, here with another daily recap for June 16th, 2016. Uh, there wasn't much that went down today, so hopefully we could get through it quick. I'll run through these questions real quick. Andres Gutierrez says, can I explain the difference between a market order and a limit order? Yeah, think eBay. It's the difference between buy it now and bidding on something. Market order is buy it now. You're saying, give it to me. I don't care what price it is. Just give it to me. You could get filled at whatever. Limit order is when you set a limit on what you want to buy. So when you're buying or selling a stock or an option, you set a limit on how much you would like to receive if you're selling, or how much the max you're looking to spend if you're buying. Parago now trading under pre-rumor numbers. Yes, they are. Again, just still keep it on watch. Anything could happen in that case. It's only been a day and still in the rumor stage. Blackbird says, do I have any positions on this next week's earnings play? Oracle actually came out today. We're going to talk about that. I don't have Nike. I have, I think, one or two long-term calls on Adobe from a while ago, and I'm not in a FedEx. I should make these videos permanently and open all. After all, there's guys on YouTube that post stupid stuff and earn 15K per upload video. Look forward to tomorrow's video. Well, we're only going to be putting these videos for the week. I'm really trying to see how people like it. I'm glad you liked it. We're want to do for our citizens, make it more, I guess, non-dilutive. I don't want to bug out and try doing this, because even then, today was one of those days where not much happened. So getting a video out is pretty, it's a lot of work. No, but there's that. And then, have I ever traded micro nano cap stocks? Yeah, I have, back, through my 10 years of history, I pretty much traded anything, traded everything. But yeah, as far as cool stories, it would take too long, and I'm trying to make this a quick video now. But there's that. Like I said, today was pretty slow. What we saw, in the big catalyst we saw today in the market, was the Bank of Japan and the ECB. Both had their interest rate decisions, and both decided to leave unchanged, and that was disappointed. Market gap down off of that. In the morning, we closed yesterday. What did we close at? Closed at 207.76. So come on, I could have just kept that up. So 207.76. We gapped down about a point, or 76 points. Went down even further throughout the day, and then came back up, and then actually ripped into close and after hours. Saw that with a couple of currencies. Same thing happened with the USD Jappy. That got wrecked. That was something to watch, and obviously because of Japan. That was pretty much it. And then the only thing else after hours there was Smith and Wesson. They reported some record numbers. I think some of their all-time records. I think highs in the last 5 years. All-time highs of revenue. So they did good. It's pretty interesting, because I know they guided down, or they had some analysts were expecting downward guidance because of the NICS system. That's the background checks that came out a couple weeks ago, and it was saying it was down. So people started selling off the stock. And that's what I was talking about in my last video. It surprised and really beat. It's hard to say if it was a surprise or not. It just wasn't as clear of a cut decision. That's why I didn't play it. But very cool to see. Oracle ripped as well too. I don't know if ripped is the appropriate word. Smith and Wesson, yes. Oracle, they beat on earnings. Good revenue, beat expectations. Another channel. I didn't look too much into it, but there's that. And then as far as other important news, I think the most important thing, it's sad. It seems like I have to report a tragedy every day. But Jo Cox, a parliament member in the UK, she made laws. She was assassinated. She got killed by somebody, and it's pretty important to note, because this relates to the Brexit. And someone asked about the Brexit thing. Brexit, what it means for the market. I'm going to talk about that coming more into the vote, and as we've kind of talked about in these videos. But that's something important to note, the whole Joe Cook thing, and to see what went down there. It's very interesting. That's the first time, it's literally a political assassination. So it's very, very interesting to see. And again, like I said, it's devastating. But the parts we're looking for, I guess, would be how it relates to the Brexit. And she was pro Britain staying in the Union. So, and the person who seemed like a radical. They were saying like put Britain first, and they are and they're obviously a champion for Britain leaving. So that's something that interesting to know. Beyond that, everything else that happened today wasn't nothing really actionable to go off of. Just really waiting in that stagnation for the Fed. You had gold rallied above 1300, came back kind of all over the place. Now it's back down to 1275. That's interesting, but good old Bitcoin hit all-time highs. I might even make another video on that just because based on its market cap right now, it's approaching. I think it's already passed its all-time highs. So it's a pretty cool thing to see Bitcoin. It's still up in the 770, I believe. Yeah, I think that was the last time I checked. Not checking now, but so that's interesting to watch. And then Disneyland opened up their first store in Shanghai, and that's both important and cool. But it could be for the company. How we could use that, I guess, as actionable information is I want to see when that will be when they will get to report that on their earnings, because whenever that shows up, that could definitely be a positive effect. But very, very cool. I suggest you guys look at the videos. It's a interesting look on Disneyland. There's that, and then last, I think, just a fun factor, weird piece of news. Philly added a 18 cent tax on soda. So they already charge sales tax on soda, which should be exempt, and now they're adding another 18 cent per can tax. So that's Philadelphia. But that's it. Let me know if you guys have questions. Put them down here. Put them in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.